That day, I had bought my first ever brand new car. So I drove it to work, parked it in the parking lot right out the window, and it started snowing.
Dave Tyrrell Wysocki was working the night shift when the blizzard of '78 moved in. Just 6 months on the job as a reporter for the Associated Press, he was manning the Concord Bureau.
There was a power outage in Boston, and the AP Bureau in Boston blacked out. So the Concord Bureau became the bureau writing the national blizzard of '78 story.
The young reporter's byline was front page news nationwide. He took to the radio.
In a major blizzard, which has blanketed the area with record snow amounts,
and documented the devastation on New Hampshire's seacoast, where heavy snow, high winds, and the astronomical high tide sent monster waves crashing on shore.
And picking up boulders and throwing them across the road into houses and into the marsh behind. And picking up cars and picking up boats and moving them a quarter of a mile inland. It pushed buildings off their foundation. It demolished some buildings too. One house was demolished, and there was a shower stall still standing, and the shampoo was still on the shelf. All the cars just abandoned. Bumps on Route 128 and on 95, and the bumps were all cars covered by snow.
Dave is now the executive director of the Naki Loeb School of Communications, where he can share stories of the storm that's still the benchmark for all others.
And being semi-retired and not being the reporter who has to go in early to tell you to stay home, I can stay home.